how to make an extra $10,000 for your Airbnb with this one tip.
It's gonna be easier than you think. Hi, I'm Sarah Karakayan.
I'm Annette Grant, and together we are
Thanks for visiting.
We have been hosting on Airbnb for over a decade and welcome over 10,000 guests into our homes.
We have thousands upon thousands of 5-star reviews, and we manage well over $1.5 million in revenue each and every year, and we are excited to help you do the same. Have a profitable pet fee strategy. Yes, being pet friendly will bring you more money to your Airbnb, but you have to do it the right way. And it's a little tricky because Airbnb touts their pet pricing feature, but if you'll notice, it is a set fee. No matter how long your guest is staying, no matter how many dogs are coming, like you set this fee, or cats or whatever, you set this fee and then a guest can opt in to bringing their pet and be charged this one fee. But in our humble opinion, and we can tell you this works because we do it in our business and have for years, this is a great way to lose money. Do not use Airbnb's set pet fee feature. This is what you're gonna do instead. When you engage with a guest and you tell them that you ask them to let you know if they're bringing a pet or not, and that can be an automated message. And when they tell you, yes, we're bringing a pet, this is when you find out how many pets they're bringing. Make sure it's the kind of pet that you're accepting in your property. And then what you'll do is you'll make either a mental note of this. You can, like we do, use a project management software to keep track of the guests who are bringing pets. And when the day of the guest arrival, you are going to review the conversation with the guest. And we always do this, like scroll to the top, review the conversation, not just for the details about the pets, but just the details of their stay in general. But on the day of their arrival, you're gonna confirm that they're still bringing, let's say, Fido and Fluffy. And then you're gonna go to the Airbnb's resolution center, because in your house rules and in your listing, you have notified the guest that you charge a fee per pet per day. This is very similar to what hotels do and to what boarding places do as well. And for me, I am a pet owner. It is a privilege and a joy for me to bring my 2 dogs with me when I travel. I don't wanna put them in a boarding house. I don't necessarily wanna leave them with my parents or my in-laws or anyone else. I wanna bring them with me. And so I will happily pay a pet fee and help those hosts make more money to offset me having extra guests there, my four-legged friends there, right? So you'll go to the Airbnb's resolution center. You're gonna request money from the guest the day of their arrival. This way, if they choose not to bring a pet anymore, no harm, no foul. You don't have to refund them any money at all. Maybe they're gonna bring an extra pet, whatever it is, day of their arrival. You're gonna go through the Airbnb resolution center. You're gonna request that money. You're gonna tell them what it's for. You're gonna thank them, and then you're gonna press send. And this is how so many members in our mastermind have added thousands upon thousands of extra dollars to their Airbnb revenue without really changing anything. They were already pet friendly, and now they're just changing the way they accept money for it, and it's making them so much more money.
Now you've got to have a pet-friendly mindset. I'm sure all of you were a little nervous when you first had your first overnight guest, a little scared of parties, a little fear there. Maybe you were a little scared when you turned on Instant Book. You got over those fears, right? You're loving it. And we know you can get over this fear of inviting pets into your home too. Let's be honest. Humans can do a lot more damage than the pets, and that's what we found in our experience. We want you to open up your net, cast a much wider net of allowing pets to stay in your home. You can see the statistics. Travelers are wanting to travel more with their pets more than ever, and this is gonna be on the rise. So if you want to make sure that you're appealing to as many guests as possible, you're gonna wanna make sure you are appealing to those pet owners.
Now you gotta have amazing pet amenities. Some of our favorite pet amenities include poop bags, and that hates the word poop.
I know, I can't believe you just said that.
Poop bag. We also leave a super absorbent terry cloth for pets when they come inside from walking outside. We have that at the entryway. We like to have water bowls. We can have food bowls. I know hosts, we don't do this yet, but hosts that will rent crates to pet owners so they don't have to travel with their own. Make sure you use a very safe crate, but you can offer crates to your guests. Here's one of my favorite tips that I actually just implemented. We manage a property and we've put exterior pet poop bags, just like you would at a park.
Waste station.
Waste station. This is why I keep her around.
Waste station.
You can find my words for me. That's also a really great amenity. Guests write about it in our reviews. Like, it was so great. I went for a walk. I didn't have a poop bag on me, but the host totally offered it. Whether you offer that inside or outside the property, whatever is most appropriate. But really, you can have a lot of fun with pet amenities. You can make it a part of your welcome basket. There are so many fun things you can do.
As Sarah mentioned, there is specific communication that needs to take place if a guest is welcoming a pet. So don't be stressed. This isn't going to add any more to your plate. We have a video all about how to automate those messages. Cleaning process for pets. Of course, you're going to have more guests. You're having the four-legged guests. There do need to be some additional cleaning process, and that's what that fee is going to. It's helping to purchase cleaning supplies and also compensate your team to help you with the cleaning up after the pets. And it's not that the pets are making a huge mess. It's that, let's be honest, a lot of pets shed, so you're going to want to protect against this shedding. Okay, so let's go through a few things. Number one, making sure that your vacuum is new, they make a lot of pet-friendly vacuums, to making sure that you're sucking up as much hair as possible and making sure that your cleaner is cleaning that after every trip. There are lint rollers that are specific for pets, and those things are sticky. You want to get those. Those will be your best friend. And then I would just encourage you to also have some extra blankets so that the pet owner can put them on the couch or on the bed. You know, Fido might get excited and want to jump up on the couch or on the bed or snuggle with the owner. So having those available to the guest would be wonderful. And last but not least, they do make a pet dryer sheet that helps to pull if there's any random hair left on any of the linens at all. So I encourage you to purchase those also. We've partnered with Breezeway on this video, and we have a pet-friendly checklist that you are going to want to download. Make sure you check off every single one of those boxes before you welcome pets into your home.
Bad dogs don't travel. A little bit more mindset for you. If you think about it, traveling is stressful on its own, and then you travel with a pet that doesn't behave. It's not common. People don't do it. If the pet doesn't do well in the car, in a plane, traveling in general, it's likely the pets and the dogs and the cats, whatever you accept into your property that are coming and traveling, they're already pretty well behaved. And we can tell you, again, after hosting thousands upon thousands of guests since, 2012, 11, the pets are the least of your worry. So go forth. Be pet friendly, charge it per night, per pet, make more money. With all of these pet amenities, you have to make sure that you track your inventory so you're ready to replace anything that might deplete during a guest stay. So check out the video we did all about managing your inventory. With that, I am Sarah Karakayan.
I'm Annette Grant, and together we are
Thanks for visiting.